Don't be joke now. One of my guys go buy poison and give him a fake one. He can't even afford to die now. Advice, I go and marry. Go and marry. Me no say, I am hungry and we are hungry. I'm not the same. I know some of them, they complain, say, we advise a day, not they get pride. And so the country do, you don't read though. Country, go to the chop goat meat. You don't read. You don't read. Don't be joke now. One of my guys go buy poison and give him a fake one. He can't even afford to die now. Who they sell beans, now they sell flagin. If you purge, you buy medicine. Then lie for us for this country. Then lie. Advice, I go and marry. Go and marry. You know, say, I am hungry and we are hungry. I'm not the same. Advance, see your mates, go and marry. Now, so Nigeria rush, now go get independence now. Now all of us, they depend on God. Oh. They rush you. Advisor, is Bitcoin that is ready now? Is this one? 3 lockdown. I join code through WhatsApp. No, lockdown, nothing I not join. Now so I go do MBA Forest. Now I dey bush. Then carry my money. Then they lie. They just carry like key this country. Say when you are coming, your palm is crashing you. Money want to come. Now lie, hunger. Since when my palm is crashing me, nothing don't come, no money. Say when you kick stone, na bad dream, na bad sign. I go, oh my God, kick stone. The Kure local government chairman, bless me. Now Saturday I define block, I go kick. Say when you see a girl, like an nipple is standing, she's honey. Go the full Ignatius. That means the school na honey way. All the girls breast down. Now so now. Olile, now my friend, Olile, the load motor. When I go, the people, this is a problem with the Port Harcourt. They compare person. Port Harcourt is not Lagos. Lagos is not. You know how many people were there Lagos? See, let me tell you the truth. Why is like people don't support talents in Port Harcourt? We don't really get big men. We just get people that assume prosperity. Assumption is the lowest level of knowledge. They know. They enjoy what they're enjoying, court and all the rest, for protection. Why those for Lagos join them for money? You understand? So now they complain, they say, nobody's helping me. Who you they help? See the way this guy, we are rip gin. For your mind, I plan. If the gin die, I ain't got to do nika. Now truth now, that's all life. See, just like when you don't get infection before. If you go buy the medicine, you need to take doctor so now you get them. You go tell doctor say you get the way you do one of your guy. And doctors, then they're very smart. They can't tell you if it's you, take these drugs. If it's your friend, give him these drugs. Now that you can't tell doctor say like that, my friend resemble me. Oh, my country red though. On Sunday, yeah, now I go church. One guy go carry picture, I go perform. One guy go Mary picture, Sisamo. Mary picture them mood for hot time, Sisamo. The father said the Lord be with him, say nobody be with him. Father said, what happened? What are you doing with Mary when I crucified in the club? Now you can say, no, give Jesus a mother until Jesus bless him. Then don't seize Jesus, mama. Country don't read. Everybody don't tire. That's why I need to come comedy show. Maybe BP no killer now. The demand is too much. People they expect you to just be perfect because they be celebrity. Where one naira you know. Don't be joke now. Family problem is too much. My brother, even for grants, they find money. Now before you can say, I got the waka, I go pick money. Even pickers or Yahoo, no 20% for them again. Nobody they pick. See that's Igbasi now. You know when they owe. For now, mine no like red carpet. Person when pay for rock, no get transport to bring them. On a day and man, I no support to mommy. If you come, man, I spray money. Man, I help see learn how to appreciate talent. Then go tifo. And the guy said, who they crack you supposed to crack on? You know. And the guy there they do hey. See even the sit down in the chat hold. Later night, your bros, you killed it. I was the one shouting hold. Do you hold something for me? Another guy goes out and shout ho. You go see what I like.
Shout out to girls that like party. Every show I go, you must date, yeah. Every time I see you with artists, it's like you owe your own label. Do the X-rated for the paycheck. You get naked for the latest. For the